Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, we are going to talk about this back problem in our Realme phone. So as you have this problem and guys you can now you are not operating your phone. So how can you solve guys this problem in your Realme phone? In this video friends, I will show you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like my video. So don't worry guys, your back problem is solved within 1.5 minutes. So I don't skip the video guys. Now let's see how to solve talkback problem. So then first of all guys you will have to scroll your screen with your two fingers. Scroll it again guys. Guys click on your phone setting, one finger and guys 1 minute. And guys now double tap. So friends you can see your phone setting here. So friends you can see your phone setting here. Then guys scroll it. With your two fingers guys we will scroll like that. Guys wait here. Guys click on your system setting, you can see with one tap and double tap to activate. Then guys again scroll accessibility, tap here, double tap. Now we will scroll it with your two fingers, you can scroll it. Guys click on vision, second page and guys click on talkback, double tap. Icon guys tap here, double tap, stop talkback, double. So it's a talkback problem will off in your Realme phone and guys you can use your phone without this talkback problem setting. So I hope friends you have understood how to solve talkback problem in our Realme phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. We will meet on next video. Before going please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye bye friends.